Hey everybody, it's Danny Paz of the Paz team at Keller Williams Realty with your market update. It's the end of January and things are really starting to get going in the local real estate market. As for LA County, we have 438 homes that just came on the market in the last week. Orange County, 100 more homes came on the market this week over last week. As for the local area, here in Torrance, up in PV, and in the beach cities, we have 18 new homes that came on the market in the last week. All that information is from the CRMLS. As for rates, people have been warning for a while now that rates were going to be going up, and they've climbed all the way up to 4.1%, which is still a low rate historically, but it's more than it has been recently. That information is from bankrate.com. As for the featured listing of the week, we're at 7292 Berry Hill Drive up in Rancho Palos Verdes. That is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that's almost 2,000 square feet. But the most amazing part is the incredible views that you get. As soon as you walk in, you can see them out the back window. They're floor-to-ceiling windows that actually open up like accordion doors. They're really fantastic. Calcutta countertops up in the kitchen. Really has all the bells and whistles that you would want. But once again, nothing beats that view. It's priced at about $1.898 million. And that information is from Keller Williams Beach Cities. I'd love to show that one to you or others. Give me a call, 310-863-2267. See you next week.